لله الذي وكفاه وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد فقد قال الله تعالى في القرآن المجيد والفرقان الحميد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم واستعينوا بالصبر والصلاة وإنها لكبيرة إلا على الخاشعين وقال الله تعالى وتوكل على الله وكفى بالله وكيلا وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم في الحديث يدخل الجنة أقوام أفئدتهم مثل أفئدة الطير رواه Muslim. All praises be to the Almighty Allah who have granted us such a day to hold Salafi conference of 2021 successfully and properly and given us such an opportunity to listen something and say something in front of all of you. Therefore we say Alhamdulillah. And the last messenger of Islam, our last prophet, who have taught us about the lifestyle of Islam, who have taught us about the deen Islam, who have taught us about faith in Allah, who have taught us about the going of Jannah, way of going Jannah. Peace and salutation be upon him. Allahumma salli alayhi wa sallim alayhi wa barik alayhi. And I wanted to thank my respected teachers, friends, brothers, sisters, and moderator of the Salafi conference with the greetings and welcome of Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear audience, today my topic on the talk is faith in Allah. I will share with you some words on the topic shortly in few course of time. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِ إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ تَوَكَّلْتُ عَلَيْهِ وَإِلَيْهِ أُنِيبُ. My beloved brothers and sisters, you and I know that we are created by the Creator Allah. You and I know that our life won't last forever. You and I know that we have been sent here for the worship to Allah. And the best worship upon Allah, what is said in the glorious Quran. Allah Ta'ala says in the glorious Quran in Surah Ahzab, verse number 3. وَتَوَكَّلَ عَلَى اللَّهِ وَكَفَى بِاللَّهِ وَكِيلًا. And rely upon Allah and sufficient Allah as the best disposer of all affairs. Chapter number 33, verse number 3. Dear audience, from the verse we can realize that the act, faith in Allah, is the best act of worship. If we, not only me, but also you and your family must faith upon Allah. If they didn't, they will struggle with anxiety, they will struggle with depression. But depression not only caused by the lack of reliance upon Allah, but at times it is a contribution factor. And you don't need to add worries in your mind, in your heart, and also your system and even in your brain. But you have to rely upon Allah. Allah Ta'ala will definitely take care of you. Allah Ta'ala can take care of the smallest beast of this world. Why can He take care of you? Didn't you think you are bigger than that? Allah Ta'ala says in this case in glorious Quran in Surah Imran, in Surah Ma'idah, قال رجلان من الذين يخافون أنعم الله عليهما ادخلوا عليهم الباب فإذا دخلتم فإنكم غالبون وعلى الله فليتوكلوا إن كنتم مؤمنين. Said those people from those who have feared Allah in earth, and Allah has best word for them. Entered upon this gate. When you have entered, you will be predominant and rely upon Allah if you are a true believer. Dear audience, from that we can know reliance upon Allah is the best worship and act upon Allah. You just need to trust Allah. He will definitely give you what you need, but He didn't guarantee to give you what you want. He will definitely give you what you need. You don't need these luxuries. You don't need so much. What do you need? But you need some food for eating, a shelter for surviving, a water to drink, a weather for breaths. It's all you need. Listeners, let's see a real life example. What really happened. Prophet Muhammad and Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Adam. Dear listeners, Ibrahim was on scorched into fire by his own family, by his own people, and he just rely upon Allah. What he said, Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil. Allah is sufficient for me, for us. He is the great disposer of all affairs. So, dear listeners, just trust upon Allah. Also, the Prophet Ibrahim and all prophets just rely upon Allah. You should trust Allah give us such an opportunity to do so. Ameen. Summa ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
MashaAllah. Thank you.